Guys, tutuloy natin yung ating yung Cove Light design natin sa kisame. After ng injury yan, magaling na to. Ayan. Nahiwa doon, no? Yan. Yan, tuloy natin after 1 week. Yan. Kailangan matapos natin to. Ayan siya. Yan, dito tapos na. Doon naman tayo. Bali yan na lang. Ikakabit natin to mamaya. Ngayon na pala. Yan. Ganun. Yung square nya. Para kita na natin. Yung pinaka-design. Guys, sinabot tayo ng gabi. Pero natapos natin. Nalagyan natin lahat. Yan. Paikot na yan. Ayan. Ang gandun. Matagal palang gawin yan. Puro putol kasi. Yan. Ang gandun. Okay na siya. Yan. Dito. Tingnan niya. Yan na yung pinaka-cove. Yan. Tapos dito yung kama namin. Yan. Tsura niyan. Yan. Makikita mo. Yan. Diyan yung TV. May saksakan doon. Ayan. Oh, ayos na. Bukas kakabit ko na lang yung mga hard effects. Yan, mga ganyan. Magkakat pa ako. Ngayong araw naman na to, gagawa na tayo dyan. Lalagyan na natin ng hard effects. Yan. Ikakat natin to ngayon. Yan. Tingnan natin kung ilan magagamit natin sa buong palibot na to. Yan. Gandun. So, tara guys. Mag-cut na tayo. Putol na agad natin. Yan. Yan yung para dito. Yan. Ito naman doon. Sana magkasya yan dyan. Yan. Tapos yan. Ito. Para dito naman. Yan. Kakabit na natin.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it.
Ayan guys, natapos na rin natin. Ayan o.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus.